In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using a promo code. If you're looking to save money while subscribing, this guide will help you take advantage of discounts. Let's get started. To use a promo code for YouTube TV, start by finding a valid offer. Check YouTube TV's official website, authorized partners, or promotional emails for available deals. Once you have a promo code, visit tv.youtube.com and select a subscription plan. During the sign-up process, enter the promo code in the designated field to apply your discount. Complete the payment details, and your discounted subscription will be activated. After signing up, download the YouTube TV app on your device. Log in and browse channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC to stream live football games. Promo codes often provide free trials, reduced monthly rates, or other perks, so keep an eye out for new offers. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.